Welcome to the 3CX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. This video will demonstrate how to update from 3CX version 18 to 3CX version 20. This is no small update. This major release is substantial, so you should plan for a minimum of roughly 15 minutes of downtime based on our lab testing and development systems. The process was completed in 15 minutes with 2 virtual cores and 4 gigabytes of memory. The duration may vary depending on your system specifications and data volume. If your full backup exceeds 500 megabytes, allocate at least half an hour or more. Several of our customers utilizing Microsoft Azure for 3CX hosting reported an additional source list file, Microsoft-prod.list, which needed to be removed to proceed. Schedule your time accordingly, allowing for a fresh reinstall with a 3CX version 20 ISO and potential restoration from a backup if that's necessary. To start, log into 3CX. Create a backup and download the newly created zip file. Make sure you save it somewhere safe, such as your desktop, FTP, or in cloud storage. If you're unsure about how to create a backup, check out our guide on the topic. The link's in the description. Get to Updates by clicking on the Settings tab, then select Updates under the Advanced section. As an alternative, you can click on the Updates tab in the top right corner of the 3CX Management Console. Download the latest version of 3CX version 18 to be able to upgrade to version 20. Click on the update, then press Download Selected. Once the update to the latest version is complete, press this button to upgrade 3CX to version 20. After 15 minutes, try logging into 3CX. Check the status of the 3CX upgrade by logging in using the credentials of the extension assigned as the system owner. Notice that the link to the web client has been updated and the management console has been removed. From the admin console found in the bottom left of the web client, look in the event log for 3CX was successfully updated. If handling all of this seems overwhelming, simply send us your 3CX backup by registering with the link in the description, and we'll manage the upgrade to 3CX v20 for you. If you're an existing Voxtelesys customer not yet benefiting from our 3CX hosting and support, reach out to our sales team today for assistance. Call us at 855-869-8353 or email sales@voxtelesys.com. Take advantage of our offer. No setup fees will be charged for upgrading to 3CX v20 with hosting by Voxtelesys until March 2024.